Welcome to my channel. I am Maddie. This is the beginning of Vlogmas. It is officially November 30th, but I really like having a video like on December 1st. So we're filming today. We are gonna do some Christmassy things. I wanted to introduce myself though, because that's usually good to do, I feel like, when you're meeting new friends. I'm Maddie. I have a really ambitious plan for my December that may not work, because basically what I'm going to do is, and that's because basically what I intend to do is two very large projects. To begin, I got about 10 yards of different fabrics from Joann's in their sale, and about 8 yards of different trims, because I want to make some Christmas clothes. Makes sense considering the channel is named So Adequate. The adequate comes in because I've only sewed about 10 things. This is 2 of them. That's okay though, because I have faith. I'm a big hand sewer because the sound of the machine is not my friend. I am very autistic. I also have really bad OCD, so I tend to overthink all of these things. My brain is currently screaming at me, but I kind of am sick of watching over-edited vlogs, and I just want to feel like I'm talking to my friends and make some memories so that I can look back in a couple years. So we're saying screw it to chronic pain, screw it to mental health. We're doing some crazy stuff. Might crash and burn, but who needs to think things through when you could be a human tornado instead? So that's the plan. I hope that it goes okay, because adding in Vlogmas on top of, 10 different yards of fabric to do things with. I say that like each yard's gonna be different. They won't be. At the very least, I know I'm making a dress and a skirt. So we're gonna start there. However, today I am sick. I do not have the COVID, thank goodness. However, I do have chronic bronchitis because I was a breathing tent baby, and 26 years later, my lungs just still don't work. So, taking it easy. I may treat myself to some Panera. Not gonna start sewing today because I need to organize my sewing room, and let me just show you that real quick. Yeah, so I got this hutch recently, which is great. We'll get into that a little bit more later. But because I'm moving all my clothes from everywhere around the house in my closet to the hutch, this is happening. Which means I just have like abysmal fabric chair. We're gonna figure that out. Not when I'm feeling so sick. When I feel a little bit better, a little more energy. Now I know that means you are all anxiously awaiting, what are we doing today then? We're not sewing and it's a sewing channel. That seems weird for the first video. Well, that's because we need to decorate for Christmas, but we aren't decorating until tomorrow. And these decorations are broken. I need to fix them. They are from Goodwill. They're lovely light up poinsettias, but as you can tell, they aren't in the best condition. I own a hot glue gun though, so that's sort of just fine. Just fine. We're gonna glue them together, make it work, and I'm thinking I might go down by the creek later, because frankly, the creek is lovely and you all deserve to see it, so we'll see if I can bring myself to go down the hill. But for now, hot glue. One down, like 2 more to go. And by 2, I apparently mean all of them are at least missing 1 petal. They look like they only had 2, like, fully missing ones, like this boy. Oh yeah, look at him. But everyone else missing like 1 little petal. We can fix that though. The power of our hot glue gun. Ta-da! We are all done! And look, none are falling apart. I was a little scared that one would right there, because I didn't really test that first, but I am currently covered in glitter, and I would like to get these hung, which means I need to go take the garland that's up on my little coat rack existence thing, and I need to take down so I can put these up, because I love poinsettias. Hold on, whole side note. So basically, I love poinsettias, like a lot, because my grandma used to have them all the time. The thing is, my grandma had cats that wouldn't eat her plants. I have cats that really cannot be trusted, so fake poinsettias for me it is. I've got these, and then I've also, at Goodwill, found these lovely little lights. All of them work, so that's how I'm getting my poinsettia fix this year. And may not yet be December, but I think we can get away with going just, you know, a little early. A little bit early. The fall time garland's time is now done, but we appreciate it for what it was. But it's Christmas time now. I think that was mostly a success. I can't see my screen, so I hope that filmed. One petal did fall off. It was not one of the glued ones, so I don't feel too bad, but I will now go perform some surgery. There they are. There's 3 on the middle and then 1 on either side. 3 in the middle are a little weird. I might try and like pin it so they all look the same way, but otherwise they just face the kitchen, so it's not the end of the world. Alright, we're not gonna question how I went from having to use the window to magically having a secret camera person, but the time has come. Festoon! Overall, very pleased. Very, very happy. They look cute. Do you like them, camera person? You can just nod. Oh, fantastic. Alright, other lights now. Booyah! Just like that. Got the other lights set up. I know I totally said that I wasn't going to decorate today, but you can't just have Christmas decorations out around me and expect me not to do that, so it's good that the rest are in boxes out in my shed, because otherwise I'd probably decorate for a few hours, and I am already exhausted. I am so tired. I could go to sleep. I have only been up for maybe 4 hours, but I'm still proud. I got some stuff done. I used a spoon or so to do it. And it could be worse. Could be much worse. I'm proud, because wearing out a chronically ill human, it's not hard, like on a good day. Add in being sick. Whew. Not a good time. However, I keep looking this way because I keep looking at the creek, and I think I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna go down there and just, you know, I'd like to show you something lovely, make your day better. So I will take a little second, kind of show you. This is one of the less than 10 things I made. I think genuinely I've maybe made 8. I don't know. I move slow because I go all by hand. My autism does not like the machine, as I think I mentioned, but I'm really a fan of it. It's super, super comfy, even if my dog stained it already, but hoping that'll come out. Very pleased though. I like my little ruffle sleeves. Everything kind of fits, which, considering this had no pattern, is fantastic. So this is it. This maybe gives you an idea of my abilities. I've made pockets in it, which is big plus. Don't know what else to say about a sweatsuit, so gonna change. That'll do. Let's go to the creek. Come on, bud. My great nemesis. The hill to the creek. Like, that's wonderful. All right, I'm gonna be a little bit of a troublemaker. I'm gonna go on a rock. I'm on a rock. I am in the water. For what reason, I do not know. It's lovely. I wanted to share it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Was it worth it? Nothing like fresh air when you're sick, but also it's cold. Back inside. As you can probably tell, the lighting has changed. I got back up the hill. I am exhausted. I do not want to function anymore. So I don't think I will. I think I'm just gonna go over the hills and through the woods and get myself some Panera. And then I'm going to just kind of sit and edit and take it easy. Hopefully get this up for you, even though I live in the middle of the woods and I have no idea how long it's going to take this to load. So, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you want to come on this adequate adventure, and I will see you tomorrow.